Hi, welcome to Ginger Pop Kitchen. Today we're going to be making easy Nutella Twists. What you need is some puff pastry and Nutella Chocolate Hazelnut Spread. First, start by flouring your surface. Make sure to thaw out your puff pastry in the refrigerator overnight. You want to work with it while it's still cold and measure to cut into half. Then you want to go ahead and spread the chocolate hazelnut spread. I used Nutella here all across the bottom of one half. Take the second half and layer it gently over the top and press down to combine. Then taking your ruler and measure about 1 centimeter apart, and using a pizza cutter, go ahead and slice all the way through. It runs pretty smoothly. And then take each piece and pull it apart and use the flouring surface to go ahead and make your twists, starting from the center, working your way out. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and bake for about 10 minutes. These come together in a snap and they're buttery, flaky, and delicious, perfect for sharing and gifting for this time of year. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.